Hello, let's create a wardrobe together in the program PRO100. In this program, you can create 3D models of any furniture quickly and easily. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description. I'm opening the program and getting into the room. Let's adjust the room to these dimensions. Double-click on the wall, enter the length and the height. Enter. You can rotate the room with the left mouse button. Click the button New Element, then click on the left wall. This is gonna be the left wall of the wardrobe. We need to give it the correct dimensions. Double-click on it. Dimensions. Depth 600. OK. Height stretch to the ceiling. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. Now press on the keyboard Ctrl-D. This is how a copy of the element is made. Move it to the right. Now let's create a horizontal element. For this, click New Element, then click on the floor. Move it to the left, double-click, 600, enter. Stretch the length to the right. Create a copy of this element, Ctrl-D, and then raise it to the ceiling. Now, click twice on the bottom and go to the Position tab. The position is the distance from one of the walls to our element. For this, we will write the position bottom 100. Enter. Now create a new element on this wall. Write its height 100. Enter. Lower it to the floor. Hold down the Shift key. Click on the bottom and press the alien fronts. Stretch in length this way and this way. Create another element on this wall. Change the depth to 4 mm and stretch the remaining dimensions in the room. In PRO100, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the PRO100 program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. Now let's make a partition. Copy the side wall. Ctrl-D. Change the dimensions. Height. And align it to the center. Let's add some shelves. Copy the partition and let's rotate it on the keyboard. Ctrl-R, Z-axis, rotate twice, close, stretch in length. This is our first shelf. Put it here and then we need some copies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the bottom. Hold down the Shift and click on the shelves and then on the roof. Click Distance Centers, Y-axis. Now let's make a copy of this element I'm stretching the length, and in the position I'm writing -200 this way. Perfect. We need to store clothes somewhere. For this we will create a small circle. More about this in other videos. New element on this wall, shape, arc, moving it, delete and close. Dimensions, I'm thinking of 20. And width, okay. Hold down the shift, press on the partition, and then align centers, Z-axis. Here. Okay. It remains to add doors. For this we should copy this element, Ctrl D, then turn right, put it here. Dimensions, height 2300 and width 598. Enter, Ctrl D for copy, and like this. We've created a wardrobe. It remains to add only handles and colors and materials. We will talk about this in other videos. Thanks for watching.